Sleep Boxing Repeats in association with Kieran Fowle Promotions. I'm with promoter Carl Greaves. Carl, how are you doing today?
You alright?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks, not too bad. It's a bit late, but Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
So we're at the press conference today in London for the Frank Warren card for next month in Leicester. Bit of disappointing news obviously coming out about Ronnie Clark. He's pulled out. Can you give us any actual details of the pullout?
Yeah, it's sickening really, because that was going to be a great fight. It had Fight of the Year written all over it. Both similar styles come forward. It would have been a cracking fight for BT and obviously the boxing fans. So very disappointed. But the story I was told was I was on the track yesterday with Sam filming for BT Sport. And got a phone call from Mervyn Turner, Frank Warren's matchmaker, saying that Ronnie's pulled out with a back injury, which is it's terrible news. I mean, obviously it's bad for Ronnie as well, because I knew that he wanted this fight badly, and he's been living in the gym in Scotland and working really hard, and it's just sad really. And whether a fight will ever happen now, I don't know. I mean, I've heard he's going to be out 3 or 4 months. Mark Dunlop, Ronnie's manager, ran me and was telling me the story, and it sounds 100% genuine, and I can't see why it's not. But it's just not very nice really for Sam and for Ronnie. I mean, obviously Sam had to withdraw when the fight was first made in December because he had a rib injury, so it's just jinxed his fight, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just one of those things. Do you think it's the sort of, as you said, he'd be out for 3 or 4 months, do you think it's the sort of situation where if you were told that Ronnie would be available in, say, June, July, would you be willing to wait until then, or do you want to just move on from that?
You know
really?
what, I think, obviously we're speaking to Frank and obviously Mervyn, I think we're going to move on quite quick now with Sam. I mean, we're looking at doing a WBO intercontinental title defence on this bill now, and it's also going to be upgraded to a world title eliminator, because Sam's been retaining the world by the WBO. So if we can't find anybody for the British, then I think we're just going to push on for the world scene now. I mean, the champion Ito from Japan, who's based in Florida in America, good fighter, very good fighter, but it's a fight that I believe Sam could win. So we're going to push on, I think, now. I mean, whether we're going to beat, we'll keep hold of the British just for now and just see what's happening. I think obviously if we get a world title eliminator on this bill, that'll push Sam further up in the ratings, and I think we're going to head up that route for the WBO world title.
So would you rather have a world title eliminator on the card next month, or would you rather Sam defend his British title? Do you have a preference?
I haven't really got a preference. I mean, it's all at this stage, it's just getting Sam more experience really, fighting top fighters and trying to get the experience and obviously keep winning. So if we can get a decent opponent for the British title, then I'd happily defend that. If not, speaking to Mervyn, I'm happy to push on for the WBO now, and obviously he's going to retain the world, like I say, and if we can get higher up in the ratings, and if there's ever a vacant world title fight come later, not a vacant but a voluntary defence for Ito, Sam will be in the picture and will definitely take that.
Yeah, absolutely. And you just talked about world title honours. Is that definitely planned for this year, or do you think next year is more realistic?
I think it'll be more realistic next year. Next year, if we can have 3 or 4 fights this year, and obviously at a decent level, and Sam keeps winning, then I think obviously he's going to gain more experience. He's going to be fighting higher calibre fighters now. I mean, obviously that Cabral last time was a good fighter. He'd been over to Canada and beat Logan McGuinness, and that was for the WBC international title, and beat him easy. And obviously Sam did a number on him. Obviously the body shot he finished him with, and obviously stopping Max Hughes for the British was a great result, because he's been a proven fighter at British level, top British level. So I really think Sam can push on now and obviously catapult into the world scene. So we'll just see. I'm happy whatever route obviously Frank and Alfie are taking. We can all talk as one team and hopefully push on.
Perfect. That's all from me, Carl. Thanks so much for talking to me today. Hope you catch up soon. Cheers.